Bolting in 100 seconds.
Bolting, also known as running to seed or going to seed, is when a plant prematurely produces a flowering stem before it's harvested. This happens when a plant redirects its energy from growing leaves and roots to producing seeds and a flowering stem. This usually happens when the plant is trying to produce seeds as a survival mechanism in response to environmental conditions, like changes in day length, temperature, or stress. For leafy greens and herbs, bolting is generally undesirable because it makes the plant taste bitter and the leaves less tender. However, for plants like lettuce or herbs, it means they are going to seed, which can be useful if you want to collect the seeds for future planting. Crops that are prone to bolting include lettuce, spinach, fennel, basil, beetroot, celery, onion, and leek. Bolting can be triggered by several factors. High temperature, like a sudden heat wave, can cause plants to bolt by signaling them to flower early. Plants are sensitive to the length of daylight, so changes in day length can also prompt bolting. Insufficient water, poor soil nutrients, or overcrowding can stress plants, leading them to bolt as a survival mechanism. Unexpected cold snaps can cause plants to bolt as well, especially if they are not suited to those temperatures. Preventing bolting involves managing the plant's environment to reduce stress and promote steady growth. Try to plant cool weather crops early in the spring or late in the summer to avoid the heat. Use shade cloths during hot spells. Keep your plants consistently watered. Mulching can help retain moisture and regulate soil temperature. Plant small batches of seeds at staggering intervals rather than all at once. This ensures continuous harvest and less risk of bolting. Ensure your soil is well fertilized, but don't overdo it, as excessive nitrogen can lead to rapid growth and bolting. Thin your plants to avoid overcrowding, which can reduce competition and stress. That was bolting in 100 seconds. If you liked the video, hit subscribe so you don't miss out.